first sparks on quiet streets, two hearts finding where to meet. But life pulled us apart, left me talking to the dark. If I called you tonight, would it feel the same?
The all-new Mercedes Benz CLA Shooting Brake isn't just another evolution. It's a statement about where practical luxury is heading in the electric age. From the very beginning, this car was designed for people who want it all, the sleek dynamism of a sporty coupe, but without sacrificing the everyday usability of a real family vehicle. And that balance is exactly what makes the CLA Shooting Brake so interesting. Because what Mercedes Benz has done here is take a concept they pioneered over a decade ago, blending coupe styling with wagon practicality, and push it into a completely new era. A concept that started with the CLA Shooting Brake back in 2012, and is now reborn as a fully electrified, highly intelligent machine. Visually, it's unmistakable. Up front, the car carries that aggressive shark nose profile, combined with a low greenhouse that gives it a planted, sporty stance. But the real highlight is the illuminated front panel, featuring 142 individually lit star elements, forming a signature that is instantly recognizable, especially at night. Move to the rear, and the identity continues. Star-shaped tail lights connected by a full-width light bar create a futuristic, almost digital presence. It's clean, it's bold, and it feels like a natural evolution of Mercedes' design language into the EV era. And then there's the roofline. Unlike the CLA sedan, the Shooting Brake stretches further back, with a more gradual slope, giving it both a more elegant silhouette and more usable space. The panoramic glass roof flows seamlessly from the windshield all the way to the rear, visually merging into the back window thanks to a clever spoiler design. But this isn't just glass. This is where things get truly next level. The optional Sky Control panoramic roof can switch between transparent and opaque in just milliseconds. On top of that, it features an illuminated starry sky, with 158 integrated stars glowing in sync with the ambient lighting system. During the day, you barely notice it. At night, it transforms the cabin into something almost magical.
Or have we both moved on to different names?
And that brings us inside. The interior of the CLA Shooting Brake feels like it's floating, literally. The design language is minimalist yet futuristic, with elements like the center console and displays appearing suspended in space. Front and center is the MBUX superscreen, stretching across the dashboard with up to 3 displays. Powered by real-time graphics from the Unity engine, it doesn't just look good, it feels alive. Passengers can stream content, play cloud-based games, and interact with the system in ways that go far beyond traditional infotainment. And at the core of it all is a new generation of MBUX, now deeply integrated with AI from Microsoft and Google. This isn't just voice control anymore. The system can hold conversations, remember context, and even respond emotionally. It's like having a digital companion inside your car, always present, always learning. But beyond the technology, the CLA Shooting Brake still delivers where it matters most: space and practicality. Compared to its predecessor, it's longer, taller, and has a significantly extended wheelbase. That translates into more headroom, more legroom, and easier access to the rear seats. The rear seats fold in a 40 hours, 20 minutes, and 40 seconds configuration, expanding the cargo space up to 1,290 liters. And with an additional front trunk or frunk, it becomes even more versatile for everyday use. This is a car designed not just for driving, but for living.
When the world felt small and your hands felt warm, take me back to the start. If only for
Underneath it all is a completely new electric architecture. The CLA Shooting Brake runs on an 800-volt system, enabling ultra-fast charging, adding up to 320 kilometers of range in just 10 minutes. Depending on the version, total range can reach up to 769 kilometers, placing it at the very top of its segment. Performance is just as impressive. With a 2-speed transmission on the rear axle, the car delivers both strong acceleration and efficient high-speed cruising. The top version, the CLA 354 Matic, goes from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in just 5 seconds, proving that practicality doesn't mean compromising on performance. And thanks to advanced energy recuperation, up to 200 kilowatts, the car maximizes efficiency in real-world driving conditions. But Mercedes didn't stop at electric. The CLA Shooting Brake is also available with a new 48-volt hybrid system, offering flexibility for different markets and driving needs. It can even drive purely on electric power at low speeds and recover energy across all gears.
Before the quiet and the scars.
And then there's safety. With systems like Distronic, Steering Assist, and the new Lane Change Assist, the CLA Shooting Brake delivers a full suite of Level 2 driver assistance, making long journeys safer and more relaxing. All of this is built on the new MMA platform, a flexible architecture designed to support both electric and hybrid powertrains, while improving efficiency in production and performance on the road. So when you step back and look at the full picture, this isn't just a wagon. It's not just an EV. It's a redefinition of what a modern lifestyle car should be. Stylish, intelligent, efficient, and incredibly versatile. The all-new CLA Shooting Brake doesn't force you to choose between emotion and practicality. It gives you both in one beautifully engineered package.
When the world felt small and your hands felt warm, take me back to the start, if only for a moment. If only for a moment. If only for